Gyam Engineering and Construction Works is one of the fastest growing professional services organizations in Ghana. With our well-qualified and experienced staff, we provide value-added surveying, construction, and engineering services for our clients through innovation, foresight, integrity, and aggressive performance, and service with character and purpose that brings absolute satisfaction to our clients and honor to God. As one of Ghana's fastest growing engineering organizations, Gyam Engineering and Construction Works uses a modern approach to survey land areas for developmental projects for traditional authorities, public and private organizations, as well as individuals. Our years of experience and knowledge in working in a wide range of environments and circumstances has made us accustomed to the dynamics of land issues in Ghana, and we believe that we are well positioned to offer the required services. We also believe in providing the right balance of personnel with extensive in-country knowledge. We believe that this balance and experience provides the right solution to your specific needs, and this is reflected in our team and past engagements. Gyam Engineering and Construction Works provide value-added surveying, construction, and engineering services for our clients through innovation, foresight, integrity, and aggressive performance, and service with character and purpose that brings absolute satisfaction to our clients and honor to God. Gyam Engineering and Construction Works has surveyed land areas for public institutions within the past years. This includes boundary survey of 1,800 acres of land for Meridian University College, and the boundary and topographical survey and hydrological studies of 500 acres of land for the University of Cape Coast. As land consultancy firm, Gyam Engineering and Construction Works has worked extensively with traditional authorities in the area of boundary survey and management of stool lands, all in the central region of Ghana. Gyam Engineering and Construction Works has a staff strength of over 20, made up of dedicated professionals with backgrounds in disciplines such as surveying, geodetic and geomatics engineering, communications and conflict resolution, administration and information technology. Gyam Engineering and Construction Works has a dedicated team of professionals who are driven to satisfy the needs of the firm's clients. These are qualities that are embedded in our strategy as a firm and will be brought to bear on this engagement. We ensure quality standard. We underscore the importance of a free, fair, and fraudulent use. We also underscore the importance of adhering to minimum social standards, that is, core labor standards, in the implementation of the project. We are located opposite UCC East Gate, CC 321-0568. Those are our contacts, CC 321-0568.